Good morning, champions. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It's not just a tasty way to kickstart your day, it's the fuel that revs up your metabolism, boosts your energy levels, and sets the tone for a day of conquering challenges. Well, guess what? I've got the perfect recipe for you just to get yourself nice and energized, and the best thing about this breakfast is that it's super simple, it's nutritious and delicious, and will get you going about your day in no time.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For those of you that are new here, I share high quality wellness tips to take your health and well-being to the next level. In this episode, I'm going to share with you my go-to breakfast that I have almost every single morning, so grab a spoon because a powerhouse breakfast is your secret weapon to own the day.
Now what we want is to have a balanced breakfast which is not too light or too heavy at the same time, to make sure that we have long-lasting energy throughout the morning and the afternoon, whilst also not crashing into a food coma by eating something which is too heavy and taxing on our digestive system.
Before we get into the next part of the video, please consider subscribing for more health and wellness hacks so that you don't skip a beat with Samsung Wellness. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
In this recipe, you will need the following. For the best results, always opt for organic wherever possible, as this will give you better nutritional value, free from the use of chemicals, and this in turn will make you feel better after having this breakfast. So let's do it. Quarter cup of oats go in, almonds, walnuts, some raisins, dash of cinnamon, and I put half a tablespoon of honey, but you can put as much as you like. And finally, any milk of your choosing. I personally go for almond milk. Just love it. So let's give this breakfast a try. By the way, make sure you stick around till the end of this video to find out about all the wonderful health benefits of this breakfast. Super!
One thing that I like to say is that there's nothing particularly fancy in this breakfast. It's simply been designed for your body to easily metabolize the content of this meal as efficiently as possible to convert this little bowl of goodness into chemical energy that we need to seize the day, whilst also being incredibly nutritious for the body. Now, just to give you a few points on how this breakfast packs a punch, here we go.
This combination of almonds and walnuts contain monounsaturated fats, the healthy fats which is great for our heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are great for our brain health, which is linked with boosted cognitive function. Eating a handful of these nuts every day gives us the energy that we need, whilst also helping us keep our weight management efforts in check. Finally, what I want to say is that these nuts are packed with antioxidants which protect us from developing certain chronic health issues. The oats in this bowl is filled with nutrients and fiber, which it helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, which is vital for our mood and energy. And last but not least, we have the honey, which has a plethora of benefits, not to mention the positive effect it has on our digestive health and the energy boost we get from its natural sugars.
In summary, this breakfast is simple and is intentionally designed for efficient metabolism, converting nutrients into energy, and is a powerhouse for delivering an energizing start to the day. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown of my go-to breakfast. If you'd like to learn more about my ultimate breakfast that I have occasionally when we have guests around, then please check out this video right over here. My name is Kassem. Thank you so much for watching.